Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Are you all excited? Bring the colorful markers. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm ready with the equipment which you said.
Yay! So there's this interesting waterfall book that we are going to make today. Okay. And
Waterfall book?
yes, it's amazing. And it's super cool. I don't want these sketch pens. I want the chisel pen
Ma'am.
markers. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Perfect.
This one.
Perfect. Yep. Yep. So show me your materials, everybody. Honestly,
Colors.
okay, color pens, okay, glue, all right, there it is. Yes, Umema, I can see.
Scissors.
Scissor, okay. What about papers? Plain papers?
Ma'am.
Yeah. All right. So
Papers.
you can, but take only 3. I think we'll require only 3. Okay.
Why?
So if because when we make the waterfall book, I think we'll be able to do it in 3 papers. Okay. So take just 3 plain papers. I know I said 5, but it's okay. You can keep the extra 2 aside. Yes, Umema.
Should I use 3 colored paper or plain paper?
Colored paper, if you have, is also fine. If you have plain paper, not a problem. Yeah, perfect. You can use whatever blank pages you have for this activity. Okay, 3, only 3. Make sure you guys have 3. Okay. And I want everybody to switch on the cameras. Come on, Humera and UJ. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
have 5 sheets.
All right. You can keep the extra 2 sheets aside. Yes, and use only 3. Umar, can you show me your materials, please?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, Humera, I can see. That's good. Yeah. Mustafa, show me your colored pens, glue, and scissors.
Can you see?
Yes, yes, absolutely. Okay, great. Umar, good. Umar, just place your phone somewhere so that I can see you and your work as well. Okay,
Yes.
Umema. Okay, Umema, I can see you. Yes. Perfect, Mustafa. Yes, absolutely, Umema. You can do that. Yeah. Just take 3 papers, though. Just take 3 papers. All right. Who do we have? No, who's missing in the class? Manha and Yusuf
and Muhammad Ali.
and Muhammad Ali. Okay, 3 students haven't joined in yet. All right. Okay, we'll wait for them until you guys arrange, clean your desk, keep everything clean. Perfect. All right, good. Omema, good. That's nice.
Ma'am, can I go drink water?
Yeah, absolutely. Can you? Yes. Okay.
Now what we will going to do?
I'll tell you what you have to do. Okay, Sidra? We'll just wait for others to join in. Yeah. We'll wait for others to join in. By the time you arrange your camera, your devices, your materials, okay, in a way, arrange your cameras and devices, materials in a way where I can see you and your materials that you are working on it. Okay. By the time we wait for others.
Ma'am, can you see?
Absolutely. All right.
Ma'am, we need plain papers. Like
Yes, you need plain papers. It can be colored. It can be plain white. Not a problem. Eh? Pass 1, 2, 3.
Dr. Bayu. Dr. Bayu.
Ma'am, do we have to do it like standing line or sleeping line?
Dr. Bayu.
We are going to keep the papers horizontal, not vertical.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
ma'am, remove your background, then we'll be able to see what.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my sketch pens and I have to give like this paper.
Ma'am, what are we making?
Yes. We are making the waterfall book. Okay. And the theme for upcoming social classes is going to be Titanic. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to make the Titanic waterfall book. Okay. How many of you all have heard about Titanic? You know what is Titanic?
I haven't seen, but I've heard.
Yes. Tell me, what is a Titanic?
It is
Okay.
a ship.
It's a ship. Very good. Okay, that's good. Yes, Mustafa.
Movie. It's about Titanic. May I say, please?
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, Titanic like watches.
Watches. Okay. It is a ship that we are talking about. Anybody knows what happened to this ship?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, Mustafa. It sank. Okay, Mustafa. The ship wrecked and it sank. Okay. All right. It was one of. Yes, you have to keep it horizontal, and it was the world's largest ship. Okay, which sank into the Atlantic Ocean. But in the upcoming sessions, we shall do multiple activities around Titanic. We shall learn few facts about Titanic. Okay, so I want you all to be included. I want you all to be interactive throughout the session. Okay, Yusuf, where are your materials? Are you ready with your materials? All right, perfect. Let's get started, everybody. Okay, everybody has paper, right? Yes?
Yes.
You keep your paper horizontally. 1 minute. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Choose virtual background. Hold up. All right. Can you guys see me now? Yeah. This is the paper.
Yeah.
All right. We are holding a plain piece of paper horizontally. Yes. Now you have to take another paper. Okay. You have to take another paper. Yes. And place it. Yes. Place it over the first one. Place it over the first one, but leave 2 finger space. Okay. So, yes. Can you see this?
We have three papers, so we need to get one more.
No, just take the first paper out of the 3 papers, keep it on the table, leave 2 finger space and place the other paper over it. Okay, first paper, 2 finger space from the bottom, and we place the other paper on top of it.
What other paper, ma'am?
There are 3 papers with you, Mariam. You take the first paper and you keep it on the table.
Ma'am, I have 5 total papers.
We need only 3, Umar. The extra 2, you can keep it aside.
Okay.
Yeah. We are taking the first paper from the bottom, one side. We leave 2 finger space and we place the second paper out of the 3 papers that we have. Okay.
So, like that.
Yes, like this.
Ma'am, is this correct?
Let me see. Show me.
Is this correct?
Yes, yes, Umema, that's correct. Okay.
This is correct.
Don't hold it up, otherwise the paper will move. The gap of the paper will shift. Okay. I want your papers to have 2 finger space before you place another one. Right? So don't lift your paper.
This correct?
You can, yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, you can take your camera and you can show me where the paper is. Okay. Sidra, good. Sidra, that is just 1 finger space. Sidra, I want you to leave 2 finger space.
Ma'am, I left it 2 finger space.
Okay. Okay. Mariam,
Yeah.
I saw your work. It's good, Mariam. You've left good space. Okay. Oh, Mema, good. Yes.
Ma'am, I did 2 finger space only, but my hand is so small that it looks like one.
So Sidra, you take 3 finger space. Okay.
Ma'am, see.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Yusuf, good. Yes.
Ma'am,
Um,
Humera.
Okay, Humera. Good. Good, Humera. Yeah. Okay. Humera, leave 3 finger space, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Umema, leave 3 finger space. All those who have thin and long fingers, leave 3 finger space. Those who have thick and short fingers like me, leave 2 finger space. Okay.
And ma'am, see,
Ma'am, see.
I have long.
Okay. Leave 3 finger
Ma'am, can
space.
you see mine?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, I have seen. Yes. Umema, now it's
This is 3
perfect.
finger.
Yes. Now it's perfect. Now it's perfect.
Now what?
Okay. Muhammad Ali, are you ready with your materials? All right, perfect. Now all you have to do is take a piece of paper, everybody, leave 2 finger space or 3 finger space and place another paper on it. Okay. Now,
The
this
third paper.
yes, now we'll take the third paper. Okay, so you know the paper that you've placed on top of the first one, the second paper. From the end of the second paper, again leave 2 to 3 finger space and you place the third paper on top of it. You
Ma'am,
leave
for
2.
me 3.
Yes.
Ma'am, so I have to keep my for my yellow paper. I have to keep it on my 3 on the blue paper, right? The
Yes,
second paper.
yes. And you have to leave and you have to leave 3 finger space. Okay, before placing the third paper. You should have this. Yes.
Alfia, ma'am, see.
See, ma'am, is this correct?
Humera.
Ma'am, is this correct?
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I am coming through. All right. Sidra, you are doing good work. Umema, perfect. Mariam, can you show me your work? Great. Okay, Mariam, good. UJ, show me your work.
Ma'am, see.
UJ, okay, perfect. UJ, good.
Ma'am, Humera.
All right. Yusuf, you are doing good. All right. Coming to Muhammad Ali. Okay, great.
Ma'am,
Humera,
Humera.
perfect. Yes, Humera, perfect. Okay. All right. Mustafa, can I see your work, please? Yeah. So when I hold up my paper, you see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Ma'am, I left 2 pages and I put my second paper. Ma'am, you have to put one more.
No, we are just taking 3. Muhammad Ali, leave on your second paper, leave 2 finger space and place the third paper. Yes, Mariam.
Third
Yes.
paper you have to also place.
Yes.
Make it horizontal.
Yeah, horizontal. Okay, not vertical, horizontal.
Wait, don't mute me.
Okay. No, there is a lot of background disturbance. That is why I'm muting you. All right. Okay. Now, everybody, do you have this? Yeah. You have 1, 2, 3 papers lined up.
Yes,
Yeah. At
Ma'am,
equal
I have seen
distance. Okay, perfect. Now I want you to take those papers and hold it vertically, like this. Hold it vertically, like this. Okay. Now place it on the table.
Ma'am, while I was picking up, it all went wrong again.
Do it again, not a problem. Take your time. Do it slowly. Okay. Can you see this, everybody? Yes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I'm holding it vertically. Now this is the main part. I want you to hold the first paper. No, I want you to hold all the papers and bend it over. Okay. Now, how will you bend it? You have to make sure
From
that
the finger lines or the lines that they did not leave those 3 fingers.
no. You have to fold the paper. You have to hold the paper from here and you have to fold it in a way, in such a way that there are equal
Anywhere
gaps.
from we can fold.
No,
We can
yes.
fold from anywhere.
No, Umar, you have to make sure that you are folding the paper where you are able to leave enough space for your third paper, like this. Okay?
How did you do that?
Okay. All I did was, I had my paper like this. I made it vertical. Okay. And then I folded my paper. Now, what I am doing is, I am not joining these two parts. I'm not joining. I'm leaving a little space. Okay. From here, can you see
Then
this
I have
paper?
to press for folding.
Yes, I'm leaving a little space. Okay.
Ma'am, can you see?
Then I
Ma'am,
press
see it?
and then I press this side.
Ma'am, can you see it?
Yes, I can. Yes,
Become
very good,
3 of
Yusuf.
them like 1, 6. Ma'am, how did we become 3 of them? 6. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
How did it become like 6?
I put this. Ma'am, like this. Alfia, ma'am, like this.
Yes, 1 minute.
Ma'am, my paper went wrong again.
Humera, can you show me? Yes, Humera, perfect. Good. Yeah, good. Okay.
Ma'am, Umar.
Umar, show me.
See, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, perfect, Umar. Good. All right. Yes, Mariam, that's right. Okay.
Are we making the Titanic?
All right. Sidra, very good. Mustafa, excellent. Okay, there it is. Now, do we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? Like a waterfall? Do we have it like a waterfall? Yes, all the pages? Yes? Okay. All right. Yeah, perfect. Now you have folded it from this side. Very good, Umaira. Yes, like a waterfall. Do we have a waterfall? Perfect. Okay. Now we are folding it from this side. What you can do is you can either put glue on every paper and stick it, or if you have a stapler, okay, if you have a stapler, you can staple it from the top.
Which will be easy.
Stapling would be easy.
Okay, I'm gonna staple. I'm gonna do stapling.
You can staple it from the top. All right. Or you can take each paper and you can put glue over here. You can glue each paper. But make sure you do it for every paper if you are using the glue. If you are stapling it, then all the papers come together and you just staple it, right? But if you are using a glue, you have to glue it from inside of each paper. Yes? Do you understand, all of you? Do we have the waterfall book?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Ma'am, I'm done stapling.
Excellent. All right. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, if you have if you have the first paper as big as mine, if it is pretty thick from top, okay, you can, yes, if it is too small, then I want you to just write the title Titanic. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, all right, I'm going to share my screen.
Alfia ma'am, I
Yeah.
upload it.
Very good. Good.
Ma'am, I upload it.
If you stapled it, then perfect. Okay, you have the waterfall book ready. Now look at this picture that I'm showing you on my screen, everybody. Okay. Okay. If you do not have the first paper as thick as I do, okay, then please just write the name Titanic. You can write it in any color pens that you want. You can color it, you can make it creative. All right. But the second paper,
We are making the Titanic book.
yes, we are making the Titanic waterfall book. Okay. So I want you to use you will write down on the second paper. We are leaving the first paper. Okay. On the second paper,
Ma'am, on the top we have to write Titanic.
you can write Titanic, you can draw Titanic. Okay. You can make it colorful. It's absolutely up to you. The first paper, this first small paper, I leave it up to your creativity. Okay.
Excuse me.
1 minute, Mohammed Ali.
Assignment.
Yes, this is a project. It's the second book, the second paper that we have. We are going to write important people over there. We are going to write important people. Okay. Can you see this? Just like how it's written, you can either. Okay, 1 minute. Let me move my. Yeah, just a minute.
Ma'am, on the first line.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Mustafa, can you repeat? First paper, you don't have to write anything. You can leave it for Titanic, drawing the Titanic, or you can write the title Titanic on that. Okay. The second paper that you have to write important people, like so. Okay. After you've made the second page, you move on to the third one. On third, you write important dates. Okay. You can use different colored sketch pens. I don't have any, therefore I'm using just one. Or rather, I'm trying to get few.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Muhammad Ali.
Ma'am, actually my third line is the biggest. My first and second is too small.
Then Muhammad Ali, you can rearrange it, right? Don't staple it now. First, rearrange your papers carefully, and then you staple it.
Ma'am, actually I already stapled it.
Okay, Muhammad Ali, then nothing can be done about that. Go ahead, write this.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you properly. Your voice is cracking.
Muhammad Ali, you can see my screen. So the first page we are leaving for the title Titanic. Second page we write important people. Third page we write important dates. Fourth, you all can go ahead and write ship vocabulary and maps. Instead of vocabulary, write words. Because I think vocabulary wouldn't fit. Oh,
Who made this?
it will fit. There it is. The third one. After important people, important dates, I wrote people twice. Sorry for that. You can write ship vocabulary and maps. The fourth can be interesting facts.
And then what do we have to do with the scissor?
And the oh, I think you'll not need scissors. I'm so sorry. You can keep it aside. 2 extra pages and scissors, you can keep it aside. Yeah. All right.
Ma'am, I have a smaller scissor
That's good.
and a tiny stapler.
Hold up. Yeah. Wow. That's amazing, Umema. Great. Questions and answers. Okay. There it is. My waterfall book is ready. Only thing I have to do right now is make a Titanic and write the title. Give me a thumbs up if you guys are with me. All right, Mariam is with me. I'm happy. All right, I have few pictures of the Titanic.
Ma'am, I'm not done yet.
All right. Okay.
Ma'am, I wrote important dates. I did not write important dates and I wrote important. I didn't write interesting facts and questions and answers.
Please write it. I'll wait. Umema, what you can? You've written important people twice.
I just wrote PE.
Okay, it's okay. You can strike it off and write dates. You know, Umema, I did the same mistake. I wrote important people twice. See.
Nobody can see, ma'am.
See. Look. Now you can see.
Oh.
So I'm going to strike it off and I'm going to write important dates.
When more is ready,
I'm making a star on the PE so that it gets covered.
Sure.
Ma'am?
Yep.
Are you done? Can I show you?
Absolutely. I would love to see your work. Go ahead. Wow. Mariam, this is amazing. That's so cool. Oh my God. I love it. I love every part of it, Mariam. Very good.
Ma'am, we have to draw Titanic.
You can draw Titanic. You can just write the word Titanic. If you have enough space, you can make the sea. Make it as creative as you can. Okay?
Ma'am, for doing some writing, we have to open
Yes,
it and then write
yes,
it.
yes, yes. That's right, Mariam. That's right.
Ma'am, can I draw my own Titanic?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, Umar, I Googled few clip arts for Titanic. Can you see my screen? Yeah. You can take any one from these. Can you see?
Yeah, I'm not just gonna draw another ship. I just gonna do the details a little different.
Yes, yes. Make sure it looks like a Titanic, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, there it is. Can you all see my screen? These are different clip arts
Ma'am,
of
show
Titanic.
the books. Ma'am, show the book
Okay.
of Titanic.
Can you see the book? Can you see the book now?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Who's ready to show me that Titanic waterfall book? Mariam is ready. Mariam has already shown me her work. I want to see other people's work.
I'm on ship, vocabulary plus map.
Okay, excellent. Mariam, you know, in interesting facts, if you open to page interesting facts, you can actually write that Titanic was the largest ship in the world.
Really?
Yes, that is one of the interesting facts about Titanic. Largest ship in the world.
Is the ship only one, or there are many Titanic ships?
There were many, but one of the largest was RMS Titanic. Okay, so that was the full name of the ship, and it was the largest ship in the world.
Ma'am, in important people, what we will write?
Important people will write the name of the captain and the person who made the ship. Okay, don't worry. When we go through, when we
have to write the names of the people.
no. You don't have to write the names of the people right now. When we further explore and learn about Titanic, I want you to constantly keep on filling this waterfall book. Okay, so this waterfall book is very important. It should not be misplaced. Okay, keep it somewhere so that you can find it. You can carry this book even for the next class. Do you understand, everybody? Throughout our sessions on Titanic, we are going to fill the waterfall book. Okay? Wow, Sidra, I love what you're doing, Sidra.
Ma'am,
yes.
You know, if there is not a lot of people in the Titanic, it wouldn't have finished.
If there was not lot of, sorry?
Coal burning in the ship.
Oh. Okay.
I don't know, I forgot. So he discovered the black spot on the Titanic.
Is it? Okay.
Hit it in the same place. Ma'am, my Titanic is going to be a little small than this
Yeah,
Titanic. Is it okay?
absolutely okay. Yes, absolutely okay. See, like I mentioned earlier, I have a lot of space on my first paper, right? So I can write Titanic and draw the ship as well. If your paper is too small, you either write it or you either draw any one. Okay. So you it's up to you how you utilize it is up to you how you utilize this page of yours. Okay.
Are we going to do writing in next class?
Yes. When we learn about Titanic, when we start doing experiments and we start making projects, okay, when we get more information on Titanic, we start filling up our waterfall book. Okay. This is just step one of learning about Titanic. I want you all to keep this book very safely so that you can carry it in all the social sessions that are going to be that are upcoming. All right. Have you finished writing, everybody? I assume you all are drawing your Titanics now.
No,
Ma'am,
no.
I am coloring my Titanic.
Okay, perfect. Humera,
Ma'am, don't cut.
Humera, what are you writing? Just write first and then you can decorate it later.
Ma'am, I'm only writing.
Okay, what are you writing? Which point are you on?
The third.
Ship vocabulary and maps.
Yes.
Okay. Quickly write everything and then later on you can decorate it like Mariam did.
Ma'am, I'm done. Now I'll decorate.
Okay, perfect. Yes. Mohammad Ali, can I see your work?
Ma'am, this is Yusuf. Can I show you my work?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Wow. Wow, Yusuf. Everybody look at Yusuf's Titanic. It is supreme. It is amazing. Go ahead, Yusuf, color it. I really, really like that. Can you show me once again, Yusuf? I want to see it one more time. I'm sorry. Wow. This is so, so good. Yusuf, go ahead, color it. Make it more creative. Perfect. Open it. And erase all this. It's not open, Beta. Open from here. Get the stapler.
Ma'am, can I show you my Titanic?
Absolutely. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Mariam, I love the creativity, the idea that if you've put, she wrote Titanic on the ship. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay. First interesting fact. Come on, everybody. What is the first interesting fact, Mariam? Tell us.
Let me check. Yeah, the Titanic was the world's largest. Can we write our own facts?
Very good. No, don't create your own facts. This is the first fact that I'm giving you today, and you quickly write it in your waterfall book. That is, the Titanic was the world's largest ship. Oh my God, that's so nice. Oh my, I love it. I love it. I love the sinking Titanic. Oh, Mama, that's very, very good.
Ma'am, I'm not done with
Perfect.
the facts, but can I show the drawing?
Absolutely. I would love to see your work. What a sketch. Too good. Amazing. And I like the font that you've written for Titanic. Only thing is it's I love your sketch. Okay, Umar, Titanic, there is no double A in Titanic, there is only single A. Okay, so maybe you can just make something, convert that A into a ship or something, you know. Maybe it will look nice then. All right. What about other? Sidra, can you hold up and show me? I want to see your paper. That is so beautiful. No,
Okay,
no, show me the Titanic. Show me Titanic. Show me Titanic. Yeah. Show me the first page. Oh my God, that's so cool. I love it. I love how she has colored the alternative alphabets. Yes, Mustafa. Yes, Mustafa.
You really like my Titanic?
I love your Titanic. Yes. Yes, Mustafa. Oh, of course. Yes, please go ahead. Show me. Oh my God, you actually made a Titanic at the back. Oh my God, this is so cool. I like it. And where have you written the word Titanic? Have you written it on the front, like on the first page? Ah, nice. I like that.
I made one more ship over here. The top is a man.
Oh, that's so cool.
The other room and from the lights coming, and here's the that. I'm making it.
Love it, love it. Too good, Mama. Okay. Humaira, can I see your work? Yes, yes, Mustafa.
Make an iceberg.
Oh, you want to make an iceberg? Go ahead. Absolutely. You're free to do that. Humaira, can I see your work?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. How's my Yusuf doing? Good? Okay, nice. Yes, yes, Mama.
I will write the facts. So I do like this and write from the beginning.
Yes, yes, yes. You open to the interesting fact page. You see, it's written.
Yes.
It's written interesting fact at the bottom, but you write the fact at the top. Okay, on the blank side. Here, number 1. Put number 1 and write down. Titanic was the largest ship in the world. All right, everybody. Okay. Everybody has finished writing.
No, ma'am, I'm almost there.
Okay. Okay, so I can assume that my Galileos are going to keep this waterfall book on Titanic safely until the next class when I meet you. Yes?
Ma'am, Ma'am, may I show you? I'm
Why
done.
Titanic?
Yeah, absolutely.
Ma'am, inside
That's
important
great.
people, important days. Ma'am,
We will fill. Okay. All right. No, you don't have to write it right now, Yusuf. Whenever we meet for next class, and as per the information that we get, as per the new information that we learn about Titanic, we are going to fill the waterfall book. Humaira, great work. I like your waterfall book. Sidra, perfect. Yes, yes, Mustafa.
Look, I made the iceberg and I also made that.
The turbine that got hit. Oh, nice. I like the details. Okay, everybody. So good work. One final time. Let me just, everybody just hold your Titanic waterfall book. I want to take, I want to take a screenshot of all your Titanic waterfall book. Okay, everybody hold it up. Yes, I will. I will definitely. Okay, hold it up. Yusuf, stop whatever y'all are doing. Everybody just hold your book. Okay.
I haven't written my facts. 1 minute.
It's okay. It's okay.
One more
Just
fact is there. 1 minute.
Hold it near your face. Hold it
1
this
minute,
way.
ma'am. Just 1 minute.
So that your face along with the book is visible. Yes, absolutely. All right, perfect. Okay. Umar, go ahead. Just show me. Umar, it's okay. I just want to take a screenshot. Okay. Hold it. Come on. Mustafa, I can't see your face. Take it. Go a little further. Okay, Yusuf, perfect. Mariam is perfect. Umaima, good. Sidra, I can't see your face. Go a little back. Okay. Humaira, perfect. Okay. One. Nobody moves. 1, 2, 3. Smile, everybody. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Galileos. And I will see you on next Wednesday with many more exciting activities around the Titanic.
What was the last fact of the Titanic? Can you tell?
Titanic was the largest ship in the world.
No. The last fact after interesting facts.
Oh, question and answers.
Question and answers.
Yes. All right, everybody. Bye-bye. Take care.